Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a topic that might just blow your mind. Get ready to learn about the signs men often miss when a woman has a high sex drive. We're talking about those subtle cues and hidden signals that fly right over your heads. Don't worry, fellas. I'm here to help you decode the mystery. Now, I know what you're thinking. Ellen, how do you know so much about this? Well, let's just say I've been married to Portia for a while now, and I've learned a thing or two about women. As a woman, I can tell you these signs are often overlooked, but trust me, they're there. So grab your notebooks, gentlemen, because class is in session. Sign 1. She initiates physical contact. Alright guys, let's start with a sign that's as clear as day. Physical touch. I'm talking about those little touches, those brushes of the arm, that playful tap on the shoulder. When a woman is attracted to you, she wants to be close to you physically. She wants to feel that connection, that spark. So if she's always finding excuses to touch you, that's not just a coincidence. That's her sending you a signal loud and clear. Acknowledge them, respond to them. Let her know that you're feeling that connection too. And who knows, maybe that little touch on the arm could lead to something more interesting. Sign she talks about intimate topics. Now, this next sign is all about communication, but not the pass the salt kind of communication. I'm talking about those deep, meaningful conversations that go beyond the weather or what you had for lunch. Let's be honest, guys. Most of you would rather talk about sports or the latest video game than dive into the complexities of relationships or, dare I say it, feelings. But here's the thing. When a woman starts opening up to you about these things, when she starts sharing her thoughts and feelings on a deeper level, it's a sign that she trusts you. It's a sign that she sees you as someone she can be vulnerable with, someone she can be her true self around. And that, my friends, is a very good thing. Because vulnerability is sexy. It shows that you're comfortable enough with someone to let your guard down, to be real. And that's incredibly attractive. So the next time she starts talking about her hopes and dreams, her fears and insecurities, don't just sit there like a deer in headlights. Engage with her. Ask questions, listen actively, and for goodness sake, put down the remote control. Sign 3. She compliments your appearance. Okay, fellas, tell me the truth. How often do you notice when a woman puts effort into her appearance? Be honest now, I can take it. I'm guessing it's not always your strong suit, am I right? But here's the thing. Women often use compliments as a way to signal their interest. Think about it. You spend an extra 10 minutes trying to tame your bedhead in the morning, and she notices. She might say something like, "Wow, you look extra handsome today," or "I love that shirt on you." These compliments, as small as they may seem, are her way of saying, "Hey, I notice you, and I like what I see." Now, it's not just about fishing for compliments in return. It's about acknowledging the effort she's putting in and appreciating her for it. So the next time she's rocking a new dress or has her hair done just right, don't let it go unnoticed. A simple "you look beautiful" can go a long way. Sign 4. She makes prolonged eye contact. You know that feeling when you lock eyes with someone across a crowded room and it's like the rest of the world just fades away? Yeah, that's the power of eye contact, my friends. And let me tell you, it's a language all its own. When a woman is attracted to you, she'll hold your gaze just a little bit longer than usual. It's her way of saying, "I see you, I'm interested, and I'm not afraid to show it." Now, I'm not talking about a creepy staring contest here. Nobody wants that. It's more about those lingering glances, those moments where your eyes meet and there's a spark, a connection that goes beyond words. It's about the way she looks at you when you're talking, like she's hanging on to your every word. Trust me, guys, prolonged eye contact is not something women do lightly. It's a sign of intimacy, of connection, and yes, of desire. So if you find her gazing into your eyes a little more often than usual, pay attention. She's trying to tell you something. Sign 5. She dresses provocatively. Okay, let's address the elephant in the room, or should I say, the outfit in the room. Now, before we dive in, Let me just say that a woman's clothing choice is never an invitation for disrespect. It's an expression of her personal style and sometimes a way to signal her interest. So what do I mean by dressing provocatively? Well, it's not necessarily about showing a lot of skin. It's more about choosing outfits that accentuate her best features, clothes that make her feel confident and attractive. It could be a form-fitting dress, a top that shows off her shoulders, or maybe even just a pair of heels that make her legs look a mile long. The point is, she's putting in the effort to look good, and she wants you to notice. Sign 6, she flirts openly. This one seems like a no-brainer, right? But you'd be surprised how many men miss the subtle and not-so-subtle art of flirting. Flirting is a woman's way of testing the waters, of seeing if you're picking up what she's putting down. It's about playful banter, witty jokes, and maybe even a few suggestive comments thrown in for good measure. Now, flirting styles can vary from woman to woman. Some women are more direct, while others prefer a more subtle approach. But one thing's for sure, if she's flirting with you, she's interested. So, pay attention to her body language, her tone of voice, and the things she says. Is she teasing you? Is she laughing at your jokes, even the bad ones? Is she finding excuses to touch your arm or lean in close when you're talking? If so, congratulations, my friend. You've got yourself a flirt on your hands. Sign 7, she spends a lot of time with you. We're all busy people, right? We've got jobs, errands, friends, family, and that never-ending to-do list that seems to grow longer by the minute. So when someone chooses to spend their precious free time with you, it means something. And when that someone is a woman who might have a little crush on you, well, let's just say it's a big deal. Think about it. If she's constantly making plans with you, rearranging her schedule to see you, or just happening to bump into you at your favorite coffee shop, chances are she's not just looking for a new gym buddy. She enjoys your company, she values your time together, and she's hoping that maybe, just maybe, you feel the same way. Sign 8, she is very attentive to your needs. Have you ever noticed how some people just have a knack for making you feel seen and heard? They remember the little details, they ask thoughtful questions, and they genuinely care about what you have to say. Well, when a woman is attracted to you, she becomes incredibly attentive to your needs. She might surprise you with your favorite coffee order, remember that funny story you told her weeks ago, or offer a listening ear when you're feeling down. It's not about being a mind reader, it's about paying attention and showing that she cares. Sign 9, she uses suggestive language. They say that language is the key to the heart, and let me tell you, it's also the key to a whole lot of other things. When a woman is attracted to you, she might start using more suggestive language, both verbally and through text. This could be anything from playful innuendos to more direct comments about her desires. Now, I'm not saying that every text message with a winky face emoji means she's ready to jump your bones, but pay attention to the overall tone of her language. Is she making more jokes with a suggestive undertone? Is she texting you late at night about things that are, shall we say, a little more intimate? If so, it could be a sign that she's trying to steer the conversation, and maybe the relationship, in a more physical direction. Sign 10. She is confident and assertive. Confidence is sexy, there's no doubt about it. And when a woman knows what she wants, both in and out of the bedroom, it's incredibly attractive. A confident woman isn't afraid to make the first move. She's comfortable expressing her desires, and she's not afraid to go after what she wants. Now, this doesn't mean she's going to be bossy or demanding. It's more about a quiet confidence, a knowingness that exudes from within. She's comfortable in her own skin. She's secure in who she is, and that, my friends, is incredibly powerful. Well, there you have it, gentlemen. The 10 signs women give when they have a high sex drive. Remember, communication is key in any relationship, so if you're picking up on these signs, don't be afraid to have an open and honest conversation with your partner. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. and be sure to share it with your single friends who might need a little help deciphering the signs. Thanks for watching, and remember, understanding these signs can help you connect on a deeper level. Until next time, be kind to one another, stay curious,